Good morning everyone. This morning we're going to discuss about Bangladesh. This picture is a national flag of Bangladesh, which contains two colors, green and red. Green symbolizes the youth and fields of the countryside. Red, red represents the rising sun and the blood spilled in the 1971 war for liberation. The Bangladesh national flag, known as the world's largest ever human flag, made by 27,117 people on 16 December 2013. The capital city of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Location: Bangladesh is a country in Southeast Asia. It is bordered by India to its west, north, and east. Myanmar, Burma to its southeast. To its south, it faces the Bay of Bengal. The nationality of Bangladesh are called Bengalis, while the citizenship of Bangladesh is Bangladeshi. The language used is Bengali. Users about 250 million native speakers, 7 most spoken language in the world by total number of the native speakers. Landmarks: made ancient and historical city. The population of Bangladesh is 153 million people. They are the fourth largest Muslim country in the world. They are also the world's 8th most populous country and 7 most densely populated countries. Landmarks: natural and man-made, ancient and historical. Landmarks: natural and man-made, ancient and historical city. The natural landmarks of Bangladesh. First, the Bacoy Falls in Chittagong. Approximately 113-meter tall waterfalls, one of the tallest in the country. The second is Karinmari mango tree in Rangpur, or called Tagurgaon mango tree. Unusually large mango tree, or Mangifera, reportedly the largest in the world. The third is Madhab Kunda waterfall in Sylhet. Approximately 60-meter tall waterfalls in picture-sketch location. The natural landmarks of Bangladesh. First, the Bacoy Falls in Chittagong. Approximately 113-meter tall waterfalls, one of the tallest in the country. The second is Karinmari mango tree in Rangpur, or called Tagurgaon mango tree. Unusually large mango tree, or Mangifera, reportedly the largest in the world. The third is Madhab Kunda waterfall in Sylhet. Approximately 60-meter tall waterfalls in picture-sketch location. The man-made landmarks of Bangladesh, ancient and historical cities. Bitaga Rangpur ruins is one of the largest ancient cities south of Himalaya. Approximately 1,500 years ago, it was city-state, important trade port. Ruins include possible largest Buddhist vihara in Bangladesh. Second is Mahastangar in Rajshahi ruins. One of the ancient capital of Pundrabardhana, which was founded in the 3rd century BC or earlier, now remains impressive fortification which were in use until the 18th century AD, as well as hundreds of mounds with remnants of ancient structures. Walls of city enclose an area of 1,523 meter by 1,371 meter large. Ramparts are 11 to 13 meter tall. Third is the mosque city of Bagharhat in Pune. Remnants of historical city. Third is the mosque city of Bagharhat in Pune. Remnants of historical city which was built in the 15th century. This site contains more than 50 valuable monuments of Islamic architecture such as 60 Dome Mosque, Mausoleum of Khan Jahan, and others. The fourth is Panang City in Dhaka. This is part of the Sunangan-on historical capital city. Panam City evolved in the late 19th century as a settlement of Hindu cloth merchants. The beautiful eclecticism architecture of the city has been preserved, although now it is mostly abandoned. And the last is Wari Bateshwar Ancient City in Dhaka. Remnants of ancient fortified city which existed at 400 BC. This is the earliest known city in Bengal region. Okay, let us proceed to the floras of Bangladesh. We have here the local name, the scientific name, and the uses. First is Shapla or water lily in English. Scientific name is Nymphaea nucali. Uses: the bulb and root are used to make medicine, to treat ongoing chronic diarrhea, sometimes applied directly to the affected area for vaginal conditions, diseases of the throat and mouth, and as a warm compress or poultice for burns and boils. The second is Ulat Kambal, in scientific name Abroma augusta. This is used in amenorrhea and dysmenorrhea. Third is Mukta juri. Scientific name is Acalipa indica. This is expectorant emetic diuretic used in bronchitis and asthma. The fourth is above, or Acirantes aspera, used to purgative, diuretic, ecbolic, hypoglycemic, used in renal dropsy, piles, anasarca, boils, and other skin eruption. Rashun, or Allium sativum, is carminative, diuretic, hypotensive, used in digestion, hypertension, and diabetes. Other floras are Basak or Adhatoda zeylanica, used for cough, asthma, bronchitis, and pneumonia. Bell, Agle marmelos, used to digestive stomach ache. And Chatim or Alstonia scolaris, used for fever, hypertension, diarrhea, and dysentery. Next is Calomeg or Androgaphis paniculata, used for liver diseases, colic fever, diarrhea, and dyspepsia. Next is Shatamuli, Neem, Brahmisak, Nayantara, Tangkuni, Babchi, Kalodutra, Ayapan, Anantamul, Kurchi, Kalmurgra, Mehedi, Karpagonda, Ashok, Arjun, Meti, Agwangonda, and Ada is some floras of Bangladesh. Let's proceed to the faunas of Bangladesh. First is Bengal tiger. Bengal tiger is the national symbol of Bangladesh. Second is Indian leopard. Can be found at Chittagong Hill tracts of Bangladesh. Third is wild Indian elephant. This can be seen in hilly areas of Bangladesh. Fourth is the hillock gibbon. And the last is saltwater crocodile. This is the largest of all living reptiles. Information, like what I said earlier, water lily or shapla is the national flower of Bangladesh, while the Royal Bengal tiger is the national animal of Bangladesh. And magpie robin is the national bird, and the fourth one is jackfruit, the national fruit of Bangladesh. The Encyclopedia of Flora and Fauna of Bangladesh has two major sections, Flora and Fauna. Altogether, there are 11 volumes in the Flora section, presenting about 6,500 species, and 14 volumes in the Fauna section with close to 7,000 species. The products of Bangladesh are rice, which is recognized as fourth in the world, as well as the fisheries. And the third is jute. This is the largest producer in the world. And the fourth is tea, which is recognized as the 10th in the world. And the last is tropical fruits, is recognized as the 5th in the world. Bangladesh imports products from the country of Singapore, Malaysia, South Korea, India, and China, which is amounting $40.69 billion US dollar. Bangladesh export their product to the country of Germany, United Kingdom, France, Spain, USA from the amount of 30.77 billion US dollar. That's the end of our discussion this morning. Hope that you learned something about the country of Bangladesh. Stay safe and God bless us all.